Hey guys, TechMentor with a video for you guys. In today's video, we're going to be unboxing the new iPhone 14 Pro Max in the gold color here. As you can see here, we got the phone. Really excited to do this unboxing. We're going to go ahead and unbox the phone, quickly do a setup, and then take a look at some of the top features of the iPhone 14 Pro Max that you can expect to get if you're looking to buy this color, and show you the color of gold, how it looks overall. So if you don't know, right here, as you can see here, this is the 14 Pro Max. As you can see, there's no more plastic. These tabs will pull out, and then on the bottom here, same thing, the tab here. So we'll see what's included in the box here. We also did the unboxing for the new deep purple. You can check that out as well. We'll leave a link for it and some of the other as well so far. So let's go ahead and unbox the gold one right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and start with the top piece here to give you guys a little ASMR. And then moving on to the bottom side here. Oh. Perfect. And then finally take a look in the box here. And as you can see here, the gold color right here. Now this gold is pretty much similar to the previous generation golds that we've seen on the iPhone 13 Pro Max and the 12 Pro Max. So let's go ahead and take a look at the box. And in the box here, as you can see, you only get that lightning port USB-C cable, and then in the pamphlet here, as you can see, there is no longer a physical SIM, so there's no SIM tray, but you get this, the safety and handling, and then one sticker. So that's all that you see in the box here. And of course, finally, the phone here. So just a quick overview of the color here. Hopefully you guys can see the gold here. As you can see, it has that gold shine to it. These cameras, again, much bigger than the previous generation 13 Pro Max. And then the MMM wave right here. So I'll give you guys the color breakdown of the gold. So if you're looking at the gold here, so definitely see a lighter shade of gold, more of white gold. And then the bottom up here. And then we'll go ahead and take that front sticker off, and we'll go ahead and power on the device. So if you don't know how to power it on, you simply hold this big side button right here. And as you can see, it is powering right on just for us right here. Of course, this is a 6.7-inch display across here. We'll notice the dynamic island that's available here. So you'll see right up top that dynamic island. And we'll go ahead and pop that up. Give that in a second. And do a quick setup here. So we're going to go ahead, and this similar setup you do within your iPhone. We're going to connect to Wi-Fi. So you need to connect to your Wi-Fi to do the setup here. So all we're doing is just entering the password for our demo Wi-Fi we have set up here. We're going to hopefully go through the setup process fairly quick. We're not going to try to sign in or anything, but of course when you do sign it up, so it's activating the device, which is going to cover this because it will just show our number for that eSIM that we have. So we'll move that out of the frame. So it continue here. So all it's doing right now is just going to activating the phone with our number. So I'm going to go ahead and just go through that process. Hitting next here. So all it's doing is activating. So as you can see here, we just activated our number, the eSIM number. If you already got the phone from a carrier, it will already activate it, or if you got it through your account, it'll just transfer your number over. That's how you set up the eSIM. So data and privacy, typical stuff. Face ID, you want to set that up. I'm going to go ahead. Passcode, You can set that up if you like, but we're just gonna skip right through here. Don't use, and then we're not gonna transfer any of that. Same with all of this. Don't use. Hit agree here. Continue now. Privacy. Screen time, and don't share. And this new feature, as you'll see on the new 14 Pro Max, is this crash detection. So there are sensors that allow the phone to automatically call emergency services, and then coming in fall, I guess, is the emergency SOS via satellite that will be available on this phone as well. So you can make emergency SOS calls. And as you can see here, just like that, we're at the main screen. We got the new home screen here, and then this is running iOS 16, which you can see you can customize the different wallpapers, which if you want, we can customize all of this, add widgets and all of that stuff. It done. Set as pair, as you see here, you can add multiple wallpaper here. Pretty cool there. And then like any other phones, a similar setup here. You got iOS 16 running, the dynamic island here, and then the camera, when you do set it up, you'll notice here there is a new main camera. It's supposed to be 48 megapixel, and then the other two are going to be 12 megapixel camera. So that's going to be a new update on the camera. And then this other feature, which is going to be this action mode now, so that you can record on the go and have the phone be more stable. So it's going to really give that effect. And then cinematic mode coming from the last previous update on the 13 Pro Max is there. So on the iPhone 14 Pro Max, one of the big thing is about the battery. So it has about 29 hours of video playback, which is one of the biggest batteries on the phone. Probably the biggest reason why most people go for this phone is this battery life that you're going to get. That should be lasting you the whole day here. The one other thing that you'll probably notice here, let's go ahead and activate the dynamic island just by activating this. So we'll show you how that dynamic island works. So as you can see, if we record something, we can click over here. So you can press and hold. As you can see, that dynamic island activating just like that. We can stop that and see all of that. So that's kind of the neat thing about this phone. Again, similar to the thing to the iPhone 13 Pro Max in a lot of ways, and going to show you that overall the gold feature of it, you can get this again in silver. You can get also the space black, which is what used to be the midnight black or the black edition of it. And then like you mentioned, stay tuned or check out the unboxing for the new deep purple color, which we'll do a quick color comparison as well once we release that update unboxing as well. So hopefully you guys found this unboxing video helpful and you guys enjoyed it. If so, make sure that like and subscribe button and let us know what next iPhone we should unbox in what color in the comment section. Thanks for watching, guys. See you guys next time.